Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I build an all-black watch with a white dial. I will be using this NH36 movement. Both the day and date wheels are black with white text. This is the dial I am using. It's a metallic white dial having black indices. This, with black hands and a black case, would look amazing. Let's start preparing the dial by removing the dial feet that are not required. I am using a metal flush cutter. After cutting, use a file to remove any remains of the stem. Align the two dial feet with the slots on the movement and push to fit firmly. The date and day is matching well with the dial. Before attaching the hands, set the time to midnight. Pull the crown out to the time setting position and turn it clockwise till the date just clicks over. First hand to attach is the hour hand. Align the hand pointing towards the 12 o'clock mark. Then push the hand using the hand setting tool. Check the hand movement. Ensure the hand moves without touching the dial. Keeping the hour hand pointed towards 12, align the minutes hand pointing to the same 12 o'clock mark. Then push the hand using the hand setting tool. Check the hand movement again. Ensure both hands move without any interference. Last hand to attach is the seconds hand. Align the center of the hand . Then push the hand using the hand setting tool. It works. Check the hand movement one last time. Ensure all the three hands move without interfering with each other or the dial. The black and white theme is really coming along well. This is the all-black case I have chosen. It is a diving style case having an all-black oyster bracelet as well. The bezel is all black as well. It is matte finish while the markers are embossed and glossy. Let's open the case now. Unscrew the case back. Remove the rubber seal. Remove the spacer ring. And unscrew the crown. Flip the movement upside down to remove the dummy stem. Ensure the stem is pushed all the way in, and you should see the lever to release the stem. Push it to release the dummy stem. Flip the movement over on top of a cushion and carefully place the case front on top. Flip again. Now, attach the crown to a new NH35 stem and insert it into the movement. The movement usually comes along with a stem. If not, you can order them separately. Measure the excess length of the stem that needs to be cut. Remove the stem and unscrew the crown. We need to cut the stem from the threaded side. This is the side that goes into the movement, and this is the threaded side attached to the crown. Ensure you measure and cut from the threaded side. Use a file to smoothen the cut. Attach the crown and insert it back into the movement. Cut a bit longer than required and shorten it using the file. Now, place the spacer ring. Then place the rubber seal and now close the case back. I use a rubber ball to tighten it. Attach the bracelet and the build is complete. I think it looks beautiful. Let me know what you think down in the comments section below. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow.